Hi everyone! Today I thought I would share with you one of my favourite rhymes, and those of you who know me well know that I love drinking tea, so of course I couldn't resist for this rhyme making a little teapot. Can you guess what rhyme it is? And these have gone down very well at my music sessions, and it's amazing, they're just made out of card, and I drew a little picture of a teapot and coloured it in, laminated it, and the children have loved going around pouring tea when I've used them at my session. So if you'd like to join in with this rhyme now, please do. We're going to need to make, with our arms, a handle, and then with your other arm, a spout. See if I can put that there and do the actions as well. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here's my handle, here's my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me up and pour me out. Oh, and you've got to be careful not to fall over in the last bit. Shall we try that again? Are you ready? You get your handle and your spout, just like the handle here and the spout. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here's my handle, here's my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me up and pull me out. That's good fun. I love that one. And then it always makes me want to have a cup of tea. Would you like to have a cup of tea with me? Look, I've got some little red cups. They haven't got a handle on. They're actually little bowls, but we can just pretend that they're cups. Shall I pour you some tea? Shh. There you go, have a sip. Some more. Might see if one of the teddy bears would like some tea. Poor Perra Bear, would you like some tea? I would love some tea. Pouring the tea, pouring the tea, pouring the tea for the bear. Ready, bear? Teddy bear liked it. Oh yes, and something else to show you. I've actually got a necklace with a teapot. Had you spotted it? And not only has it got a teapot, it's also got a little cup. So I can pour you another cup of tea. Are you ready? Thanks for singing with me. My favourite rhyme today. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here's my handle, here's my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me up and pour me out. Again. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here's my handle, here's my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me up and pour me out. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here's my handle, here's my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me up and pour me out. Yay, last time. I'm a little teapot, short and stout. Here's my handle, here's my spout. When I get all steamed up, hear me shout. Tip me up and pour me out. Well done. Oh, and I nearly forgot to show you this. It's a little postcard of a toy that I used to have when I was little. A teapot house. Can you believe it? Does anyone remember these? I loved it so much. I wish I still had it, but unfortunately I don't. Don't know what happened to it. But I just used to love it so much. Can you see the little people in the top? And as far as I remember, that used to go down, and there was a little garage around the back of the teapot. I spotted it at the V&A Museum of Childhood a while ago. I imagine it's still probably there, and it made me feel so nostalgic to see it again. So I got this postcard. So yeah, that was one of my favourite toys. when I was little. Thanks very much, everybody. See you soon.